Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our little cabin here in, I want to say this right, Forest Holiday in Forest of Dean in Gloucestershire. We're here with our kids and our cats, all three of our cats. It's very exciting. We came by road from Essex. We had originally booked 3 bedrooms, but thankfully we got a cabin which is 4 bedroom. We just got upgraded when we got here, which is always good. So yay to that. I'll show you a quick tour around. I do want to show you how it looks in the daytime as well, but before we make an extreme mess out of it, since we're here with the kids and the cats, I want to show you the way that things are when we walked right in. That's the entrance. There's a coat closet where you can hang all your coats. We've stored the litter here. We also have our boots. You can tell that it's already been used. There's enough room to keep all the dirty shoes. There's a mat outside and a mat inside. Ignore the mess on the floor. When we came, I promise you it was clean. Before we leave, I promise you we will clean it. That's what the living room looks like. You can tell it's being lived in with kids and with cats. The fire's burning. It's beautiful and it's nice and warm. Quite toasty, in fact. That's the kitchen. Don't mind the box, don't mind the fridge. We did bring our own food simply because we didn't know if halal food is available or not. So there's a beautiful big dining table. Honestly, I didn't even know, but this place is perfect for hosting the way that I see it. Look at that. It easily accommodates 8 people. That's a dustbin where you can segregate the waste, which is always a good thing. I will say that the kitchen is beautiful and clean. It's very clean. The first impression that I got is the fact that it's all very clean, which is always very good. Say hi to Mr. Shalem. Mr. Shalem is just getting acquainted with the new place. He's looking around and he's trying to decide if he likes it here. I have a feeling by the time he gets really comfortable, it'll be time to go back. Anyway, I do want to show you what's in the cabinet. So that's one cabinet down there where you can put some stuff if you need. That's one cabinet up there where you have all sorts of plates and cereal bowls that you can think of. Some glasses up there. Those, I believe, are plastic to be used in the hot tub. And then this cabinet has lots of glasses and mugs for your tea, coffee. There is a note which reminds you to use plastic glasses in the hot tub, which is obviously important. There's a dishwasher down here. Those are mats and coasters and some pots that you can use to make tea, I suppose. I think that's how you would describe it. I don't know. This is our own fridge. We brought it with us. We had plugged it into Kadir's car. It has some food in there, some fruits, vegetables, some half-prepared meat, marinated meat. It's still good and frozen, which is excellent. I do plan on making a video about all the food that we eat while we're here, so stay tuned for that. A very well-stocked cutlery drawer with knives, even a pair of scissors, forks, spoons, and then there's a grater, pizza cutter, can opener, anything you can think of, and they have in here a peeler, a bottle opener, if you're into that kind of thing.
Wow, pretty awesome.
And lots of different spoons to cook with. Those are, I think, roasting supplies, if I'm not wrong. And these are user manuals for everything that you have here, and some cutting boards. Again, very useful things. There is a gas hob, a functional gas hob. I tried this out a while ago. 3 of the gas hobs didn't give me any trouble. They were fine, but one of them was a bit dodgy. This one, the smallest one. Looks like it's okay now. I did move it around a little bit, so I think that's why it wasn't functioning properly. I moved it around with my fingers and now all 4 seem to be working fine, which is great. Then we do have an oven with a baking tray, again nice and clean, which we love. Then there's one fridge with a small freezer compartment and another fridge with a small freezer compartment, which is very good. Then there is a cupboard which is stocked with 3 saucepans, frying pans, and 2 or 3 baking dishes and roasting trays. Then there's a colander, there's a grater. So you're well stocked in the kitchen department. There is a microwave. There's a toaster with space for 4 toasts, which is always convenient, and there's a kettle. Then there's this small box which has some washing up liquid, which has a sponge to wash your dishes with. It has some microfiber cloths, a fully compostable bag, and a sponge, and 3 dishwasher tablets, which makes a lot of sense because we will be here for 3 days. I think I'll leave these out so that I can wash some dishes by hand. And then there are some. Then you get a bin liner, some tea towels, an oven mitten, and of course the rack that you can put hot things on. So that's the kitchen. I think it's beautiful. I think it's lovely. I want to give you a quick look into the bedrooms before the bedrooms get ruined. So that's one bedroom with 2 single beds. And my little Mithu, who's running under the bed, he loves to hide, doesn't he? I'm so proud of you, Casper. You're so brave. So that's one bedroom. A nice small bedroom with 2 single beds. And a small, actually quite a nice sized cabinet, wardrobe, if I'm honest. It's a good sized wardrobe. And a small dresser. That's me. Hi. And then of course there is another room right next to this one. I think we'll probably bunk here. The kids will be here and grown-ups will be here. This is the master bedroom, again with a small dresser, which is always good to have. I can't wait to set up my things on it. And there's a nice little cute little double bed with 2 dressing tables, dressing shelves, and a beautiful painting of the forest, which is very befitting. And that's a beautiful window. Small cute little wardrobe again, with this one has bathrobes in it and big towels as well for the bathtub and for the hot tub. This bedroom is an ensuite, so it has a bathroom attached to it, which has a shower in it. Alright, there's a bathroom right outside the room. Let's head upstairs now. Mr. Casper will lead us upstairs, will he? So this is a master bedroom. Oh, I like this. This master bedroom is a little bit brighter. It's a little bit more open. Yeah, the bedroom, we might just take the master bedroom here because we're spoiled for choice, you see. Since there's 2 master bedrooms and 2 single bedrooms, 2 upstairs and downstairs, we haven't decided yet if we'll sleep downstairs or upstairs. Maybe we can sleep one night downstairs and one night upstairs because this one is a bit more open. I like single floor plans a bit more. That's just who I am. This does have a chotu sa sofa. It has a small settee where you can sit and do some work. Oh, and there is a small dresser. I thought maybe there isn't a dresser in this one, but there is one here too. And there should be one more bedroom. Again, another bathroom. I wonder if this one has a bath. And then there's one more bedroom. The cats are exploring, which is very important. Oh, this bedroom is very cute as well. I like the layout of this bedroom. So that's our cute little home for the next few days. That's what the cabin looks like from the outside. I'm just going around the back now. There are bike stands where you can park your bikes and secure them. Just want to show you, somebody's just come in to check our tub this morning. They didn't even disturb us, they just came, and that is a warning they had issued though, that somebody can come on and off and check your tub. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. We would only need 2 or 3 bedrooms at the max, but we thankfully got an upgrade. So we have a 4-bedroom cabin, which we don't really need. So 2 of these bedrooms are going unused for now, But yeah, for a bigger family of maybe even possibly 2 different families, it would be ideal to have this cabin, because as you can see, there's a lot of room. There is a little bit of privacy as well. One of the bedrooms has an ensuite, I think it's called, where there's an attached bathroom, and there are 3 total bathrooms, which is always obviously very good if you have a lot of people, or if there's possibly even 2 families, or you have bigger kids than ours where kids need their own privacy.